Hey everybody, it's June 28th, 2025. Sorry if I'm a little bit out of breath. I had to go quite a ways to get to this little spot, and I actually placed a little marker so I even remember where it was. I didn't have my camera on me, so had to go retrieve it, but let's go check this thing out. It looks pretty nice. There it is. Love the coloring there. Oh, the very tip is missing, but man, it is neat looking. Look at that little inclusion there. That's so cool. Yep, whole except for the very tip. I will take that all day though.